we're standing inside the first hallway of the barn. This barn features 2 wash racks, a half bathroom, 2 tack rooms, and a feed room. Each stall has rubber matting, which will stay. And there are multiple blanket racks, box fans, bridle hooks, pretty much everything you could ask for in a functional barn. And here we're walking through the first feed room. There's a wash area here. Also, there's a heater. And here's another tack room. There's plenty of saddle racks, chandelier, and lockers. Now we're going to walk into the back hallway. And again, we have more stalls. A second wash rack. Both wash racks have hot water. Okay, and we're going to walk outside and see the ring. Okay, I just walked up the hill from the barn. So we have the ring here. It's quite large. You can fit a 20 by 6 inch dressage ring. Whatever your chosen discipline is, there should be plenty of space.